Top 10 Auto Repair in Kelowna. 1. Motor Werke, 4.9 792 reviews, Springfield Rd No. 118. 2. NAPA AUTOPRO A+ Automotive, 4.9 437 reviews, Rutland Court. 3. Springfield Automotive and Transmission, 4.9 55 reviews, Kirschner Road No. 5. 4. A ValleyPro Autohouse, 4.8 369 reviews, Old Vernon Rd. 5. Friends Motors Tire and Auto Service, 4.8 228 reviews, McCurdy Rd. 6. NAPA AUTOPRO Glenn's Automotive and Transmission, 4.8 193 reviews, Enterprise Way No. 21. 7. Lakeshore Automotive, 4.8 165 reviews, Lakeshore Rd. 8. Primary Auto Repair, 4.8 126 reviews, Harvey Avenue. 9. Kelowna Auto Care, 4.8 110 reviews, Banks Road No. 7. 10. Pro Stop Auto Center, 4.8 106 reviews, Baillie Avenue.